So something many people don't know about the Tesla is the air conditioning. That's a really cool feature. You can actually make it into a one bigger air conditioning and control it like that. You can do the same with the passenger one. And also, on the AC here, if you click unsync, you can have two different air conditionings for different passengers. So this little button right here cycles the air in the cabin. So if it's really smelly outside, you don't get that air. Probably the coolest thing about it all is camp mode, which allows you to sleep in the car and have the AC running all night using the iPad for Netflix and chillin'. Dog mode is a cool feature I even use for humans, not even just dogs. So when I have a passenger and I have to leave the car, dog mode will show this so people from the outside can view it and not be worried. So if you're thinking of getting a Tesla, use my referral code and we can both get 1,000 free supercharger miles.